Hi team. Hi all. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss a brief introduction about medical billing. So what do you understood with the term medical billing? So here in this demo we will be covering the medical billing introduction and its main goal, why the medical billing has been implemented, and the complete billing process. And apart from that, you will be able to understand how the patient registration and what is the course curriculums that was there, common types of billing errors, or what is meant by denial management, payment posting. All these billing process will be included in this demo. So when coming into here, before going into the introduction about it, so meet myself. Myself, I'm Sony. I'm having 13 years of experience in coding and billing. I have expertise in all the type of specialities with end-to-end RCM. RCM in the sense revenue cycle management. I'm having experience into coding as well as billing as well as AR and insurance workflows and everything. Basically, I'm from nursing and later I worked for 1 year into clinical platform and I shuffled my career into this. So our main motto is like we are delivering you the practical and real time training on medical coding and billing. So why or what is the reason to learn medical billing? See, nowadays if you just look into here, the healthcare industry is a growing platform. Like there is vast increase in the jobs and everything. And it is very fast growing healthcare support in the worldwide. So if you just look at here, by learning this course, what would be your benefits? See, benefits in the sense mainly there is a high demand for job opportunities and you can work with your international clients like a if you are gaining some sort of experience like 1 or 2 years, you can work with the international clients directly as a freelancer through freelancer portals. And when coming into the salary it will be like initially it will be very less, but very less in the sense it was like 20-25 like that. After that, if you are gaining some sort of experience and based upon the requirement, so you will be having, there is a huge demand for the salary and huge demand for the job opportunities and everything. So remote work opportunities are more nowadays. Recently there are a lot of work from home opportunities, and this is, we can say it as like it is having vast career growth in terms of medical billing. So it is not like once you entered into here like AR, I will be stagnant with that path. It was not the thing. So you can move on to AR and later you can shuffle your career to payment posting, claim submissions, claim processing, denial management. Like that, multiple platforms are there. There is a growth in your career as well, and it is a long term career. So before going into it, so you have to know about what is billing. See, medical billing in the sense it is an important process in healthcare industry where healthcare providers submit claims to insurance companies and they will receive the payment for services whatever that is provided by the provider to the patient. So for each and every service they need to submit this claims to the insurance company manually via UB04 or LCMS 1500 forms. If it is like electronic, you can submit with 835P or 835I. So if you just look into here, the main goal is the accurate, accurate and timely payments. This is the main goal for implementing a medical billing. So mainly for accurate claim submission and faster reimbursement and reducing denials and rejections, even maintaining proper patient and insurance records, everything. I think everyone are eagerly waiting for this. Who are all eligible to do this course? See, every life science, pharmacy, any healthcare professionals, Not only that, any individual who is holding like BED or anyone or who is having communication skills, and they are also, or everyone who are interested in the US healthcare and medical billing, they are also eligible to do this course. It is not particularly strict lines like you are the only one eligible like life science. So such type of strict line is not there. So you can like even a B.Tech graduate, if they are having excellent communication skills and everything, they are having some idea on US healthcare industry and everything, they are also eligible to do is. So jobs after this course, ma. After completion of this course, what are all the job opportunities you will be able to? So here you can start your career as billing executive, then AR callers, eligibility verification executive, or patient scheduling appointment setter, or you can work like charge entry specialist, payment posting executive, denial management, and even an RCM associate. So here we are going to cover the syllabus on, so the basic introduction about US healthcare system, then the medical billing workflow process. Here the workflow process in the sense, it starts with your patient registration. Okay, patient registration or patient scheduling means appointment scheduling, then patient registration, and then after that you will be having eligibility verification, EVs. Here they will verify the insurance whether it is active or not, or they also will take the details of co-pay, co-insurance, deductibles, out of pocket cost, everything. And apart from that, you will be having the medical coding, so they will do accurate coding for the process of ICD, CPT, and HCPCS for the document whatever that is submitted. And later the charge entry people will be there, they do capture the charges, then the claim submission. So after this there will be an payment posters, so these people will be there. And even if any insurance issues are there, if you are getting any denials or anything, so the denial people will be there, they will be follow up and taking care by the AR. And this is like claim submission and everything. And here you will get, see, whatever the topics that I am discussing, what is deductible, what is copay, co-insurance, those are all will come into the insurance concepts. We will cover in the insurance concept. So course curriculum, here you will be getting the introduction of healthcare in medical billing and coding. Then apart from that, the health insurance fundamentals, the insurance types, and insurance terminologies, and AR workflow scenarios, how to deal with AR issues and everything. Then HIPAA, how to maintain your production of healthcare information, patient appointment, patient registration, eligibility verifications, and authorization process like prior approvals before doing any kind of unauthorized services or which are not payable from the insurance companies, or the coding basics, the ICD guidelines, and the claim forms, how to capture the details in claim forms like outpatient and inpatient claim forms, charge entry and claim submission. Apart from that, it also will cover you like payment postings, denial management, and the interview questions and everything, common interview questions. See, mainly here, why to choose this career? See, mainly for every course, you will be having certain requirements, right? In the same manner, here also you will be having, see, if you want to work in this industry, you should have thorough concept knowledge of insurance terminologies and everything. And even you need to have the knowledge on insurance guidelines. You should be having strong communication skills and even the basic computer knowledge. Then rest, once you join into any industry, they will train you how to use these platforms and everything, and understand the healthcare terminologies. So why to choose this course? So when you look into here, here we are going to give you the real-time workflow explanations with the help of few softwares which are available, and how to enter and how to schedule a patient, or how to register them, or how to check the denials, or what sort of denials are common, or how to go with the AR issues, or how to resolve them, how to track them on daily way, and how to calculate your AR aging days. And apart from that, you will be having industry oriented concepts, and you will be able to understand the practical knowledge of it. and you will be getting step by step in-depth knowledge about all the concepts. And this is the platform where it will give you the more information on billing, including the coding concepts as well. And this you can learn by sitting at your home whenever you are comfortable and everything. And here we are going to cover the majority of the syllabus with career software, and as well as with new MD, and some concepts which are in which are covered in Athena Health or Advanced MD softwares, which we have been given an brief intro with the help of images. So by the end of this session, you will get the thorough knowledge on how medical claims are processed, how insurance payments will work, and how billing teams reduce the denials, and what are all the career opportunities in medical billing and coding. So these all things you will be getting in understanding about, or you will be having a clear idea about all this. So if you want to enroll for the course, you can get in touch with us. So here you will be having a contact number, our Gmail, and our website address, everything. You can reach out there. Thank you. Thank you, team. Thank you all.